Here's how you set up your Facebook business page in 2023.
All right, let's get straight into it. So, firstly, you're going to go into your Facebook profile. If you don't have a Facebook profile, you need to go and create yourself a Facebook profile, and then we can go and create a page. So, when you're inside of your Facebook profile, you're going to go to pages, and then what you're going to do is click on create new page. And now you can start putting in all your information, your name, description, all of that. And we're going to go through it on this video. Let's just start adding that. So the name is going to be, let's call it test business page. Then you're going to put in your category. So more or less what you do. So that could be, say, your plumber, plumbing services, whatever you are, or real estate. You put in your categories here, and this helps the algorithm try and find you. So when you run ads or doing posts, to show your stuff to the relevant people that are interested in real estate or interested or needs a plumber. It just helps the algorithm if you put the relevant categories in here. So just make sure if you are real estate, you put in all the real estate type of stuff that is really fits to what your company does, right? So if you're you're a real estate agent, all of that, put that in. Then description, put in a detailed description of what you do. It needs to be 255 characters. I'm just going to put in something here that would describe a real estate agent. All right, I just got a description from ChatGPT. So if you can't come up with any ideas, all that you can do is just type in ChatGPT that you want a Facebook business page description for a real estate agent in New York. And it gave a bit of a blobberish one here. So I said make it fit in 255 characters. And this one was actually pretty good. So I'm just going to use this one. It's a bit easier. Obviously, make it more personal to your business. This is just a framework. Let's put that in, get that out, because now it fits properly. All right. So that is the name, the category, the description. Now we can click on create page. Okay, so the next two steps, we're going to have to put in a profile picture and a cover photo. So we're going to quickly go and create that inside of Canva. This is way easier to do it there, and I'll leave a link to it. It's not an affiliate link. I just use Canva. It's free and it's easy. So firstly, let's go to Canva. You're going to go to Facebook cover, and it already has a template for you there. You can just use that. And then we're just going to, so just one thing with the profile picture, right? If you're a real estate agent, most likely you're going to sales and lead generation under your own brand, meaning yourself, right? Because you're the real estate agent. So you'll put a picture of yourself there. Like example, let me show quickly how my Facebook page looks. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my Facebook page. So I'm running ads under my own brand, and I have my Facebook page under my own brand, which is just basically my name, right? And with a cover photo of my business. So if you are like a plumber, you most likely just going to put in your business profile photo. If you like a real estate agent or working under your own brand, put a photo of yourself. It looks so much personal. And when you're in the feed, it actually looks like not like a business, but actual person. And that works very, very well. So that is going to be that part. Then let's go and do the cover page. Canva gives you a lot of examples here. So if you don't have an idea of exactly what you want to do, what I'll suggest is go into here and you can type in something related to you. So that could be plumber, if you're a plumber, or it could be, let's go with the real estate one. Spell, real estate agent. Awesome. So here are different types of cover photos you can use. You can choose the one that fits the most to you or you like the most. It's not really going to be the be all and end all. But let's check this one. So this is pretty cool. Here there's just a few things that needs to be remembered when creating a cover page. You want to make it very easy for someone to understand, because it's the first thing they see when they go in your profile page, or sorry, in your Facebook page. So you want to make it easy for them to understand. So you can clearly see this is a real estate. It says they're a real estate agent. It's under her own, brand, and then contact details and a photo of the person. This is perfect for a real estate agent. So all that I'll do is put a photo of myself, or whoever in there, and then change the contact details, maybe change the colors, and change. You can make that to your preference. But this is a great example. So we can, just use this one. All right, so I went in and uploaded a profile picture and the cover profile. So what you want to do here is going to give you this connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp. If you use WhatsApp in your business, I would highly recommend you use this setting. People are way much comfortable sending WhatsApp than calling you, or even emailing sometimes. So I would highly suggest setting this up, and you can use the WhatsApp ads feature, which more videos will be made of this in my YouTube channel. So go subscribe. And yeah, this is something completely different. We're not going to do this right now. All right, cool. So you can see now here is the profile, the cover photo, and my profile picture. I know it's not correlating any way. So in this real estate agent, you'll obviously put this image, or put image from this person into their, vice versa. But anyways, that is the cover photo, the profile picture, all in. Right. So now we're going to set up the other stuff that's needed to have your profile page, or your business page well optimized for great success on Facebook. All right, the next part is going to be, we need to set up the services we offer. This is very important. We want our potential clients to know exactly what we do, what we offer. It helps the algorithm, and it makes it just way easier for when someone comes to you from Facebook, they already know what you do. Cool. So we're going to set up services. We're going to add a service. Then we're going to put in, so I don't really know what real estate agents does exactly. I'm not a real estate agent. So obviously property valuation and pricing. So just ask ChatGPT. All right, so that could be ask for price, or it's free, or it's custom. I know this is free most of the times. And then you're gonna give a description of exactly what that service entails. Right? I don't completely know what it does, but you can put that in. Then you can put in appointments, right? So how long does this type of appointment? So that could be an hour. Let's just say here, we evaluate your property. Let's just say that for now. So appointment duration, that is how long the appointment will take. Then block extra time. So that is the duration between the appointments. And then you can even put a image of that specific service. So, for property valuation, you can go create something on Canva, or you can, something that's related to that. You can put that in. Let me grab something and just show you how it would look like. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded an image that we can use with our service. So just a little tip, go for a 500 by 300 width. So I'll just show you what I did. So you'll go into Canva and you'll choose a design of 500 by 300 pixels, and then you can then create it. Why? Because it fits the best in your services part of the page, and you want to keep every photo nice and neat. Let me show you quick. So you just save that. When you have a lot of services, you want your pictures to look nice and neat you have one another. So that's why stick with 500 by 300. It fits properly and it looks nice in between each other. All right, so that's for services. Reviews, you want to be sharing your page with your customers, your existing customers, so they can come and review you on your page. It will really help with the algorithm showing your stuff. It tells Facebook that you are a trusted business. Right? Shop. We're not going to today going to go completely through Shop. It is a whole nother video on its own. As you can see here, you need to go and set up this. There's plenty of videos on YouTube how to exactly set up Shop. This is a beast of a video on its own. Putting in your products and stuff you have to sell. It's just something you can do if you are an e-commerce brand or you have online products that you can sell online. So that will be a complete different video. All right, the next part is going to be if you have where someone can book appointments with you, you want to be connecting that, right? Or connecting your calendar so people can book appointments with you from your Facebook page. So you just go there, click on next, put in the days and times you are available. And then you can choose between manual approval and book instantly. So what that means is you need to actually approve if someone wants to book an appointment with you or the time they requested. Or book instantly means it really just books in your calendar and you can still reschedule and cancel the appointments, but it will instantly book in your calendar. So if you already use your online calendar daily and it's up to date and you keep it updated, I'll recommend book instantly. But if you are not as tech savvy and you don't really use your online calendar that much, I will do require manual approval where you actually approve the booking and you can go write it in your diary or something like that so that okay, I have an appointment. So let's just go for book instantly. And then you can choose between one appointment only at a time or multiple appointments. Most of the times it's going to be one appointment only. Then you want to sync your Google Calendar. So that will tell, when someone wants to book an appointment, it will tell them when you blocked off or when not. And it will only be able to do that. If you don't have a Google Calendar or you don't really use it, don't connect it, it's fine. You're going to then do require manual approval. But we're going to do book instantly and we're going to connect our Google Calendar. I'm not going to do that right now. It's very simple. Just follow the step-by-step guide and then you are ready to go. Yeah, we're just going to say next. This is for reviews, ad services already done. Awesome. So the next part is going to be, we're going to do the about section. So here you'll put in your exact location that that you are located. If you're a physical business, if you're not a physical business, just put in where you live. Not the exact address. You don't have to do that. Just put more or less where, where you are. Or if you don't have a location, you can do that. I'm just going to do this because it's easier. You don't have location, but if you're like a local business or you work in a local area, you really want to be putting in your address here because it helps with the algorithm. So but for this case, my page doesn't have a location. Awesome. And we can just do that. Cool. Then the next part is going to be, we need to put in our website. If you don't have a website, that's fine. You don't have to put in a website. If you have a website, put in your website there. It makes it really easy for someone to go and find you. All right, I'm just going to put there, don't have a website. Then phone number, put in your phone number. You want your customers to reach you, so put in your phone number there. Awesome. All right, send message. So that is going to be if someone sends you a Facebook Messenger on Facebook Messenger. So that will just go into there. You can set up some automations to make it, like an autoresponder if you out of business hours. I'm not going to do this on this video. I am going to create a video especially just about Messenger, how to use Messenger properly and how to set it up for auto responding. And yeah, so that is Messenger. Cool. Business hours, you want to put exactly in the business hours you are available. So we did previously the appointments. That is the times you are available for appointments. But business hours, that is the actual operating hours you work in. So you can say always open, permanently, well, you're not going to do permanently closed. It most likely you're going to have selected hours. So you're going to put in here the hours you work during these days. All right, the next part's going to be we need to go to edit page info. So we're just going to go through here to make sure everything is in correctly. If something's not showing, that means it didn't save correctly. So just go and fill it in here. This is just the overview of all the details of your business. So just go through this, make sure everything's showing. My stuff's not showing, so I didn't put it in. So just make sure everything is in there. If it's not there, just put it in. Right, location. Then another thing that's very important, you want to be putting in your exact service areas you offer your service, right? So if you are in New York, put in New York's a big place, right? So put in all the specific areas in New York you offer your services, right? So that helps the algorithm when you make posts or even run ads. It helps your page show it to the right people. And it as well, when someone comes to your page, they will see, okay, you offer this service in this area. I'm in this area. Okay, I can talk to you, right? So that is another reason you need to be putting in your service areas. Right. Same with hours. I didn't select any hours, so it's not going to show here. This is not important. All right. If you have any privacy policies, you can put this in here. I've never done this before. QR code, this you can use, if you have like a stand or even in your shop or, wherever, you can put this, print out this QR code. Can put it somewhere and say, go like my Facebook page. Now, why would you do that? Well, you're building up an audience of all the people that like and follow your Facebook page. You're building an audience that you can advertise to for free because they follow you, right? So when you put out posts or reels or whatever you do, you have these people that's following you and seeing your stuff. So this is always something you can do, is share your QR code with people so it makes it easy for them to go and follow your Facebook page. Price range. Here you can say if you're expensive, moderate, cheap. I don't really dabble in this. If you are like a really bespoke company, very expensive, I would put that there. It helps as well the algorithm to show your stuff to people that would pay expensive stuff. Currency, put in your currency, and then other accounts, you can connect your Instagram account here, right? If you have an Instagram account, I would highly recommend to go ahead and add your Instagram account here. So you can put in your username and then you can go ahead and add that. It really helps. Why? Because if you post from the one platform, it will share it onto the other because it's owned by the same company, which is Meta. So you can go ahead and add your Instagram account there. Then for the very last part, we're going to go to settings. Then we're going to go to page roles. So what this basically is for, it's when you want to add someone to help you, make posts or changes to your page. All that you're going to do is you're going to put their name, their Facebook name, or you can put in their email. And then you can give them the type of access you want. If it's someone in your business and you trust them, give them admin access, because then you don't have for every single thing, give them access. Editor is going to be this, they're going to be able to make slight edits, certain types of stuff. So if you trust them, give them admin access, and you don't have to then for every single thing. Then in the settings, you can now manage everything from page roles, Instagram, WhatsApp. You can connect your Instagram from here and manage it from here to make sure it's posting both ways. So that is everything that you need to know about setting up your Facebook page for optimal success. The last thing you're going to have to do now is make post. So what I would suggest is make a welcome post, your first post as a welcome post to your page, and you can pin that. And that post could be basically all your services you offer, specials, anything like that. And then every single day you can add more posts. I'm going to make more videos about what type of things you want to be posting, how to make reels and all of that. This video is just about showing you how to set up your Facebook business page. So next step is going to be for you is to make your first post.
If you found value out of this video and you would like to see more of these type of tutorials, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.